How to change your Roblox password if you forgot it. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of resetting your Roblox password if you have forgotten it. It is really essential to carefully follow each step to ensure a smooth process. So first of all, you have to open any of your web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then go to roblox.com. Type in roblox.com in the search bar and hit enter. Then you will come across the official website of Roblox, where you have to locate the login option in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Then you will be directed to the login portal where you have to enter your username or your password. But as you have forgotten your password, simply click on the Forgot Password Username option over here. And once you do that, here in this page, enter your email address in order to reset your password successfully. Now click on Submit. Now it is indicating that an email with the instructions has been sent to you if the email was previously saved on your account. Click on OK and open your Gmail. From here, click on Reset Password, and now you just have to simply create a new password in the first field, enter the same password in the second field as well, and click on Submit. This way you can easily reset your password if you have forgotten your user ID or email of your Roblox account. So if this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.